if you really analyse and look and hold up different colours to your skin, the inside of your wrist tends to get less sunshine and less kind of environmental damage, so it's a really good place to kind of play around with foundation. Hello, and thank you for joining me. Welcome back. Today we're doing a bronze inspired makeup look. And in doing this look today, I really wanted to highlight the topic of skin texture and real life texture and what makeup looks like when you actually step out the door. So I wore this makeup to a recent kind of date night. Here I am, all glammed up. I lasted really long. I think the bronze kind of look is really versatile, and we went for a more pink lip for the balance. But what I wanted to show was how different lighting affects your makeup, and how like daylight and how when you're taking a picture and a photo, how different makeup can actually look. So you can see here my mirror has different light settings and the difference. So it's really dependent on if you have a cool or warm undertone in your skin. What does that even mean? So I would actually be my colouring, my complexion would suit more cool colours. Just found that out, I find, through trial and error. Now, gold, you can have a colour like gold and still make it warm or cool. So say like rose gold would be more cool than a warm like golden yellowy bronzy colour. So a good trick is to look at your wrist and to see if you can see your veins. Normally at your wrist, a blue vein would indicate more cool colours, and then a lot of people have like green in the veins a little bit. If you really analyse and look and hold up different colours to your skin, the inside of your wrist tends to get less sunshine and less kind of environmental damage, so it's a really good place to kind of play around with foundation as well. Sometimes in the shops, if you're getting your foundation matched to your skin tone, they'd put it on the side of your cheek to see if it melts, like on your jawline there, to see if it melts in and if it's a good match, because you can have neutral tones where like warm colours and cool colours suit you. So cool colours would be like blues and baby pink and like real like strong green or pastel colours, whereas warm is more like yellows and gold and orange and lots of red. So you can have a red lipstick and it be like cool blue undertones, or it can actually be warm orangey kind of undertone. So you really have to play around and get to know your own skin type. But even this bronze look, I was trying to adapt it to the more cool colour. It's inspired by summer, so I added in a good bit of like pink from my blusher. But yeah, to look at your own veins, the inside of your wrist is a good place to see if the veins are like sometimes they're green or a bit more reddy, then you'd be warm tone or neutral. A lot of shops, if you go into the makeup shop, the pharmacy, and you'll see the stalls, they'll have numbers, they'll have like numbers and letters on the L'Oreal is really good for that, L'Oreal True Match, and they have like a graph, so you could play around, take some of the testers, try them out, see what looks good. Do you want the skin, sometimes yellowy makeup can really brighten up your face. Sometimes if you've a lot of red, actually if you put on a bit of like glowy warm orange undertone makeup, it can tone it down. It's all that part of the colour wheel. It's trial and error is the best. You can go into all the theory about it, but the absolute best is just to find like, do you look better with a bit of contrast? Do you look better with warm or cool? Like sometimes my under eye makeup, because my I'd have more dark circles, a very yellow concealer looks really good on me. So I try that, but it's trial and error. You need to find out what works for your skin tone. So with this makeup, for you guys, if you want to copy it, I did a good foundation base. I used bronzer to contour along the forehead and the cheeks, and I used a lot of like shimmer on the nose bone and between your nose and your lip to put shimmer there, makes your lips look bigger. Then I used an actual bronze colour here around the eyes, because blue actually looks really good with orange. They're opposite on the colour wheel, so your blue eyes will really pop. Or if you've green eyes, go for purple colours. If you've like dark brown, looks fabulous when you put lilac on. If you've brown eyes and you put lilac and purple on, so you see how colour can interplay. So blue or green eyes always look fabulous with golden orangey colours. It's like they make each other pop. So that's what I did with the eyeshadow. And to cool this, because my skin tone would be cool and bronze would not normally be a warmer colour, I used a lot of more pinky tones. I actually used a little bit of the blusher and bronzer as eyeshadow as well. And lately I've been really defining the eye more with a brown instead of a full heavy black, because I just thought it's brighter, it's more summery, it's a softer diffused eyeliner line, and I just blend, and I found that I copy a lot of, like, say the Kardashians are so well known for makeup, or they've so much exposure to makeup artists, that you don't need that harsh, like a smoky bronzy eye. It looks really good when you use, I think you can't go wrong if you use natural earthy tones, but natural earthy tones can be cool or warm based. So try out what works for you. Sometimes darker skin looks really good. You can literally put bright orange or like a hot pink on darker skin, whereas I would look like a clown with that. And in this bronze look, I went a lot more on the pink tone, because pink would be a lot more cool tone, ironically, even though you think it's like red and warm. Even this lipstick, it's like has pink undertones in it, so I'm not full on going for the orange, but I'm still doing bronze. So you can change every makeup look that you see. You can adapt it to your skin tone. So I really encourage you and inspire you, just play out a little bit, play around with different skin tones, and it's all there done for you at the makeup. Go to the drugstore, go to the pharmacy, Boots, Superdrug, any of them, and it's all on the shelf and on the design. Like, look at the foundation part and use the testers and try them out. And it's the same for lipstick colours as well. So even the foundation I used a good bit of concealer, just because the coverage is great in that concealer, and the foundation was more glowy. So later on in the evening I did have to like mattify my T-zone. I think with this look next time I would do the cloud skin. So I have another video all about that soft matte cloud skin finish, where you really mattify the T-zone a lot more. So you can see in some of the close-up videos of this makeup look how if you have more texture to your skin, like if you don't regularly get skin peels and exfoliate, that up close your makeup is really going to, or like if you don't do dermaplaning is another treatment which is really good for like improving texture of your skin, because up close your makeup in real life, out in daylight, in sunlight, it's going to look really different. Like, we take all these pictures and we're so used to seeing smooth, effortless skin. It's all lighting. Like, we need to get back to reality. People don't look like that up close. People don't look like that in real life. And we have this disillusion with social media, because everything is like up close. Like when you put reflective pearlescent highlighter along your nose bone and the top of your cheekbones, like it's going to pick up on the camera, and the flash of the camera is going to make that look like you have a filter on. So it's great if you're taking a picture, but in real life it can be quite like an hour or two in of wearing this kind of bronzy makeup look can make you look very glossy and shiny if you have naturally got a combination skin type or T-zone or oiliness in your skin. If your skin's really dry and you do this look, I'd really encourage you to really exfoliate beforehand because you want that smooth surface. So here I am just finishing getting ready. So I hope you're inspired by that, and I hope you are inspired by real texture of skin and to see it that makeup and camera and lights can give a really misguided look. They look great, the photos look great, but in real life just be aware that to see here, you can really see the texture of my skin up close. That was taken in daylight, or if you even put a filter on it, you can see pores, you can see shine and glow. So just be aware that that's real skin. That's what makeup looks like when you step out. So yes, you can get so with this look I would have put more mattifying powder, and I did later on in the night, and the look did really last, and it was soft and golden around the eyes, which was really good. So do try this makeup. It's versatile going from day to night time, and it's like a soft glam as well. So it is a very versatile good look. On my skin tone, I matched the bronzy look with the more pink tones in the blusher and on the lipstick, and I even brought that pink into the eyeshadow. So I encourage you to think about skin texture and be aware of how much lighting plays a part in your makeup. And I'd encourage you to try out different looks, but adapt them. Always individualize them and adapt them to your skin. So have lots of fun playing around with makeup. It's only makeup. You can take it off again. It's not so serious. It's like, let's have fun with it. It's such a tool. It makes you feel great. It's like getting your hair done. It's like putting on a nice pair of shoes. It's like an accessory. It's like the icing on the cake. Let's have fun for it. It's our gift for women to be able to enjoy makeup. It's such a pleasure, and for guys as well. It makes you look better, confidence, your skin is glowing. So let me know if you've tried this kind of bronze inspired look, and if today's chat helped you guys. Until next time, thank you very much. See you in the comments.